If you already speak English, but you still don't sound natural and confident, what's the secret? It's not your vocabulary. It's your pronunciation system. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 most important rules that will completely change the way you sound in English. Hi, I'm Liz, and I specialize in helping non-native speakers sound natural, confident, and professional in English. Let's get started. Rule 1. Discover my integrated learning method. Most students learn pronunciation like this: one sound at a time, separate lessons, repeat after me. The problem? That's not how real speech works. In real English, everything happens at the same time. Sounds, stress, rhythm, intonation, and linking. Instead, I teach using my integrated learning method. That means you learn everything together. This is the difference between sounding correct and sounding natural. It's really powerful. Rule 2. English is stress-timed, not syllable-timed. This is one of the biggest breakthroughs my students make. English is a stress-timed language, which means some words are strong, most words are weak. Example: I want to go to the shop. Not, I want to go to the shop. If you don't reduce the small words, your speech sounds unnatural, too heavy, and difficult to follow. So you must learn weak forms, rhythm, and the contrast between strong and weak. Rule 3. Weak forms are everything. This is where a lot of students struggle. Words like to changes to t. Of changes to of. And changes to n. And that's just a few. If you pronounce every word clearly, you sound like you're reading, not speaking. Natural speech is reduced, relaxed, and connected. This is the secret to sounding fluent and speaking faster naturally. Rule 4. Linking creates flow. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect everything. Example: go on becomes go on. Great idea becomes great idea. I agree becomes I agree. Without linking, your speech sounds broken, unnatural, hesitant. With linking, your speech flows. You sound confident, and everything becomes easier to say. Rule 5. You need continuous feedback. This is the one most people ignore. You can watch videos, repeat, practice, but if no one corrects you, you repeat the same mistakes. You build bad habits. You don't improve. And that's why real progress comes from correction, guidance, targeted practice. So if you're ready to sound natural, confident, and truly professional in English, let me help you do it properly. Inside my community, I don't just teach pronunciation, I show you exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it step by step. Oh, and for those of you who are serious about real permanent change, I offer my Accent Reset program, where we work together to transform your speech so you can perform with confidence and under pressure. You can get started today by joining my community. The link is in the description. And when you join, I'll give you a free mini speech assessment so you can clearly see what's stopping you from sounding natural. I'd love to work with you. Love and peace.